Blue stick. Yeah. Why are you hugging this random? Why are you hugging it? Scary, yeah. Very scary. We need electric vehicles, more vehicles, yeah. Okay. You want your space. She hates being photographed, so I think she figured out that she's being photographed. Wow. Okay. Do you want your space? Space? Okay. I give space. No space. What? Oh my god. No, don't do it. Don't do it. That is so weird of you. Don't do it. Don't. I guess for immunity sakes. Don't do it. Can I please? Okay. I beg you. Can you please come with me? I'm just gonna walk. Ahead and like hope she follows me. She's staring at me and oh my goodness, look at this thing. She's just staring at me. She's such a menace. Yeah. Blue stick. You. I have nothing to say except. Blue stick, come with me. At least do the clear part. Why are you drinking from the? Oh my god! Oh my goodness. Okay. Can you believe that this is a female cat? Oh my god. Blue stick. Let's go. Come on, let's go. Yeah. Let's go. Let's walk. Can we walk? Here. Okay, she needs to go and check out the... Okay, she needs time. This is why we take so much time walking. This is the reason why we have to take so much time to walk. 1 block. Not even 1 block. I am worried because she'll jump in there. Do not jump, okay? No jumping. Come on. Yeah, good baby. Come on, let's go. Blue stick. No. Blue stick, why are you into that? She saw a dog peeing and she had developed a bad habit of like peeing on walls for a while, which was weird. But now it's not there, so it's fine. Why? Why no? Why? So nice. That's so bad. That's so bad of you. Why you say no? So rude. Blue stick? Oh my goodness. Blue stick, no. Blue stick.